Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make rice cake or kaltappa. 2 cup rice soaked and washed, 1 cup grated coconut, 2 cucumbers, add into the rice, 2 spoon boiled rice, add half glass of water and grind. Transfer into a bowl. Add baking soda, quarter spoon. Mix and leave it for 3 hours. Add salt and mix well. Heat a non-stick bottom pan and add oil, chopped onion, and fennel seed. Fry for about a minute. Now higher the flame and pour all the batter. Cover it and cook for 20 minutes in a low flame. Transfer to a plate and in the same pan add oil, chopped onion and fennel seed and then fry for about a minute. Now flip onto the pan so that both sides will be cooked. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. It's done now. Try this recipe and comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.